morning, all of you. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I'm Shazia. I'm your teacher. We'll begin with math class. Are you ready? Today we will learn counting. Be ready with your files, notebook, sharpened pencil, eraser and colors to study again. Yes, my lovely toddlers, open your math file and take out page number 4747. Have you opened? Great. You all know the counting from 31 to 40 very well. Now we are going to fill the missing number. Here you can see some rows with missing number. We have to fill them. Okay. Now, first of all, sit properly with your back straight and take out your sharpened pencil. Shall we start? Now look at the board. We have number 31. Now you tell me what's come after 31. Correct, it's 32, which is missing here. So write down 32. 32, 32. 32, 32. Write down 32 and tell me what's come after 32. Yes, it's 33, which is written over here. So tell me what's come after 33. Great, it's 34, which is missing here. So write down 34, 34. 34. We have completed one row. So look at here. 31, 32, 33, 34. Come to the next row. There is no number. So tell me which number is this? Yes, it's 32. So tell me what comes before 32. It's good, 31. It's missing here now. So write down 31. 31, 31, 32. So tell me what's come after 32? Excellent, it's 33, which is missing here. So write down 33. 33, 33. 33, 33. What's come after 33? It's 34. It's here. Now look here. 31, 32, 33, 34. To fill the missing number should be in order. Okay, now come to the next row. Which number is this? Good, it's 34. So tell me what's come after 34. What we have to fill here? Very nice, 35. So write down 35. Have you written? Good. What's come after 35? It's 36, which is written here. So tell me what's come after 36? Very good. 37, which is missing here. So fill it with 37. Have you written 35, 36. Now tell me what's come after 36. Great, it's 37, which is missing here. So fill it with 37. Write down 3, 7, 37. What's come after 37? It's 38. It is written here. Okay, have you done? Now the remaining rows are your homework. Complete it later and send it on WhatsApp group. Okay? Yes, toddlers. Move to page number 4848. We are going to do an interesting activity. Are you excited? Now look at the board. You can see some pictures with missing number. Like caterpillar have some number and have some missing number also. Like heart have some number with missing numbers. What we have to do here, we have to fill them. We have to complete the picture with number 1 to 10. Okay, and you know the number 1 to 10 very well, isn't it? So are you excited? Very good. Now sit properly and take out your sharpened pencil. Shall we start? Now we will start with the caterpillar. The first number is 1. So what come after 1? We have to fill this box. So what come after 1? Correct, 2. So write 2 in this box. 2. Got it? Now tell me what's come after 2? Good, it's 3. So we have to write 3 in this box. Now tell me what's come after 3? Good, it's 4, which is already written here. So tell me what's come after 4? Correct, it's 5. So write 5 in this box. 5. 5. What's come after 5? It's 6, which is already here. So write. Now tell me what's come after 6? Good, it's 7. So write the next number, which is 7 in this box. Have you written? Now tell me the next number. What's come after 7? Good, it's 8. Write down 8 in this box. And the next number is 9, which is already here. So we have completed the picture of caterpillar. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We have filled the missing number and we have got the order of number from 1 to 9. Okay, now you got it? Now move to the next picture, which is of some clothes. The first number is 2. Now you have to tell me what's come after 2. Great, it's 3. So in this next cloth we have to write 3. Have you done? Now tell me what's come after 3? Good, it's number 4. So write here number 4. Now after 4, which number we have to write? Which number we have to write here? 2, 3, 4. Then excellent, number 5. So write number 5. What's come after 5? It's 6, which is already written here. Now tell me what's come after 6. Great, it's 7. So fill it with number 7. Write it properly. Have you done? Now tell me what's come after 7. Correct, it's 8, but it's written here. So tell me what's come after 8. Exactly, 9. So write here number 9. Have you done? Then tell me what's come after 9. Good, it's number 10. Have you written number 10? Now the another row is, now we have completed this picture also. Now come to the next one, which is of heart. Heart have some numbers and some heart is empty. We have to fill them with number. Which number is this? It's 1. So what's come after 1? It's 2. So in the next heart, write number 2. Written? So tell me what's come after 2? Nice, it's 3. So we will write 3 in the next heart. Have you done? Now, which number we have to fill here? Quickly tell me. Good, it's number 4. So write here number 4. What's come after 4? It's 5. 5 is already written here. So tell me what's come after 5. Great, it's 6. So we have to write 6 here. Write 6. Okay, the next number is, it's 7. It's here. Now we have to fill this heart. Now guess which number we have to write? Excellent, it's 8. Now all the hearts are in order, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, now come down. Again you can see this picture with missing numbers. We have to fill them. Okay, we have to fill the missing number. Are you ready? Now tell me which number is this? Yes, it's 1. What's come after 1? It's 2. Write 2 here. Okay. Now tell me the next number. What's come after 2? Well said. 3. So write here 3. Have you written 3? So tell me what's come after 3. It's 4. It's here. The next number is 5, which is already here. Now what's come after 5? Great, it's 6. So write 6 here. 6. Now tell me the next number. Which number we have to write here? You have to think what's come after 6. Well said, it's 7. Now write down fast and tell me what's come after 7. Correct, it's 8. And after 8, it's 9, which is here already. Now we have completed another picture. Now you can see some bubbles. We have to fill them also. Okay, we have some numbers with empty bubbles. We have to fill these empty bubbles. Okay, so which number is this? This is bubble number 1. So next one, what we have to write here? What come after 1? 2. So write 2 here. Okay, have you done? Now tell me the next number. What's come after 2? Excellent. It's 3. So write 3 in the next bubble. Now 1, 2, 3. What come after 3? Great, it's 4. So fill the next bubble with number 4. Write it down fast and neatly. The next number is 5, which is already here. So tell me what's come after 5. Excellent, it's 6. So write 6 here. Great. Now tell me what's come after 6. Which number we have to fill here? Correct. Write 7. Are you writing properly? Now tell me what's come after 7. Good. It's 8. So write here in this bubble 8. Okay. Now the last one. Which number we have to write here? Well said. It's 9. So write 9 here. Now we can count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Have you done? Do it fast. I'm waiting. Now we have another activity. Do it fast. Look here, can you see some dots over here on the boxes? Like in this box we have 1 dot, isn't it? So we have written 1 here. In the next box you can see 2 dots, 1. You can see 2 dots, 1, 2. Okay, so we have written 2 here. Similarly, we have to fill these boxes. First, we will count the dots then we will write the same number here. Okay, got it? What we have to do? First we will count the dots, then we will write the same number in the box. Are you excited? So we will count the dots. The next one is, so count these dots. 1, 2, 3. Here we have 3 dots. So we will write number 3 in this box. Okay, so write number 3. You got it what you have to do? Good. Now move to the next box. Count these dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here on this box we have 4 dots. So write number 4 in this box. Here we have 4 dots. So write number 4. Written. Now count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we have 5 dots. So which number we have to write? Good. We have to write in this box number 5. Here we have 5 dots. So we are writing number 5. Okay. Shall we count the next one? So count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 dots. So we have to write number 6 in this box. You also write number 6. I have written. Now it's your turn to write. Done. Now we will count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here we have 7 dots. So we will write number 7. Have you written number 7? Now we will count the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here we have 8 dots. So we have to write. Tell me. Yes, 8. So write here number 8. Have you made 8? Great. Now we will do the next and last one. Okay. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. On this box we have 9 dots. So tell me which number we have to write. Excellent. It's number 9. By this we have completed our activity. Did you enjoy this activity? Very good. Now you have to click the picture and send it on the WhatsApp group.